The seatbelt is believed to have saved over 1 million lives since 1959.
Seatbelts reduce serious crash-related injuries and deaths by about half.
The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Why it was developed. When in motion, the driver and passengers travel at the same speed as the car. If the driver makes the car suddenly stop or crashes, the driver and passengers continue at the same speed the car was going before it stopped. A seatbelt applies an opposing force to the driver and passengers to prevent them from falling out or making contact with the car's interior. Seatbelts are considered primary restraint systems, PRS, because of their vital role in occupant safety.
Guidelines to buckle up safely.
The lap belt and shoulder belt are secured across the pelvis and rib cage, better able to withstand crash forces than other parts of your body. Place the shoulder belt across the middle of your chest and away from your neck. The lap belt rests across your hips, not your stomach. Adjust your seat first before belting up. Buckling up is the single most effective thing you can do to protect yourself in a crash. Being buckled up during a crash can prevent you or your passengers from being completely ejected from the vehicle.